Andrew, 23 years old, and from Western Sydney.
What's that haircut called?
From Kufulele Mongomo. Just those two.
That's it.
That's it. Got family in Lauliti, Talanoa and Faleasiu as well, but when I go back, it's Kufulele Mongomo. If there was online in Samoa during the time, everyone would cancel. Solid. Fucking bullying is no joke. I loved it though. I loved it. I wouldn't take it back. It's the vibe, man. It's the people. It's the everyone's so friendly in Samoa. The life's so different. Like you could go to a random person's house and start playing volley. I feel like that's the major difference. The people and the freaking air. Fuck, the air in Australia is so polluted. Not fun. I guess if I was to pick something, it'd be like competitiveness kind of thing. Like in Samoa, it's always very competitive, whether it be in sport or like life, or like fight love lovers and stuff. Like very competitive. And like in here, you get competitive with work and stuff. I guess that's a similarity. Unique. I never realized that until I started dating Malia. He's Tongan. And she started saying like Samoans are so different to them. And I realized like, fuck, it's so much better. It's expected, because it's new. Our parents were literally born in the Mo'omanga, you know, they were born in such a different place, such a different world that we're born in. New is scary. That's where everything, I guess, but I guess that's where we come in and have the responsibility to show them that new can be good and pave the way for our future generation, so that it's not new, it's just being successful isn't new, it runs through the family kind of thing. Got to change that whole culture, and I guess that's where we come in. Our mentality. I feel like
You support them.
yeah, 100%. 100%. There's always something new to learn. I guess we just got to take in that mindset that sometimes our kids will be smarter than us, kind of thing.
Yeah.
I don't know how to put that into good words, but
Well, they'll know everything we know. And
yeah, and more. Like we got to be mindful that they'll have different perspectives, they'll have different intakes in life, and they'll possibly know more than us. And I guess my job as a parent is to accept that and to encourage. Most important lesson that I've learned is that no matter who you are way too talented to stay put, to stay comfortable. We're born with so much opportunity, so it's never get comfortable. It's always move forward, I guess. Progress. So we're way too talented as people, as Pacific Islanders. You know, we're too good to be in a warehouse. Too good to be settled.
never be satisfied.
Yeah, never be satisfied with the life that we have.
Like in your situation now, would you move to a whole new country, start a whole new life?
I think about that like a lot. No way. It's such a scary thing. Moving away from what you know.
Limited English.
Yeah, limited English. Barely any family. Mum came here, no family. Dad had one brother here. I don't think I'd see myself doing what they did and coming as far as they did. To see where they are now. Like we're not rich or anything, but we're doing good. And they're doing good. They've got jobs.
From what they came from.
Yeah.
They were going up.
Like I'm not sure they knew what they were gonna get themselves into when they moved to Australia. They just came here and
And it's weird because like we're in a better opportunity
Yeah.
to move to any country, but we still wouldn't do it.
Nah, no way. But work hard. Hey, bro, my dad. If there was one lesson that my dad was to teach us, work hard. Probably the hardest worker in the room. He didn't really teach us, like tell us. He kind of just showed it through his actions and stuff. Yeah, that was just a sacrifice. Sacrifice to work hard. He didn't have to, but he wanted to for his family. And,
We didn't have to, but he had to.
that kind of thing. Even now, he's got 3 grown kids. He doesn't have to work as hard as he does, but he still does it. I don't know why. There's one lesson. His family is number one. Right. Always put like your family first. Doesn't matter like what the relation is. It's always family number one. And then never put anything above the family. Just always family orientated. Yeah, and that's the mentality that she gave us. And that's
That'll stick with you.
yeah, I kind of notice it myself, like when I do stuff, but